Atlantic canary. The Atlantic canary, known worldwide simply as wild canary, and also called the island canary, common canary, or canary, is a small passerine bird belonging to the genus Cerinus in the finch family, Frigidae. It is native to the Canary Islands and Azores and Madeira. Wild birds are mostly yellow-green with brownish streaking on the beak. The species is common in captivity, and a number of color varieties have been bred. This bird is the natural symbol of the Canary Islands, together with the Canary Islands date palm. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to smash that subscribe and notification bell down below.
This is the life of Bohemia.